JSX expressions and rendering. JSX, JavaScript XML, is a syntax extension for JavaScript commonly used with React, a popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces. JSX allows you to write HTML-like code within your JavaScript code, making it easier to create and render UI components. JSX expressions and rendering are fundamental concepts in React development. Let's break down how they work. 1. JSX expressions. JSX expressions are JavaScript expressions that produce React elements. You can use JSX to describe what the UI should look like, including HTML-like tags and attributes. JSX allows you to embed JavaScript expressions within curly braces to create dynamic content or execute logic. Here's an example of JSX expression. In this example, name is a JSX expression that evaluates the name variable and inserts its value into the JSX element. 2. Rendering JSX. To render JSX elements, you typically use the React DOM.render method provided by React. This method renders a JSX element into the DOM. You need to specify the root element where your JSX content should be rendered. In this code, the JSX element, h1 hello, world/h1, is rendered into the HTML element with the ID root. 3. JSX elements. JSX elements can represent HTML tags, example div, p, or custom React components. JSX elements must have a single root element. You can't return multiple adjacent elements at the root level. Use a wrapping container if needed. 4. JSX and JavaScript. JSX expressions can contain JavaScript logic and conditional statements using curly braces. 5. JSX components. You can create custom JSX components by defining functions or classes that return JSX elements. Custom components can be used just like HTML tags in JSX. In summary, JSX expressions allow you to describe the structure of your UI in a more readable and declarative way, and React's rendering mechanism enables you to display this UI in the browser by rendering JSX elements into the DOM. JSX also allows you to combine HTML-like structure with JavaScript expressions and logic, making it a powerful tool for building dynamic web applications. Thank you. See you next lesson.